On the screen, you see that InfraWorks model brought directly into Formit. Formit is Revit solution for schematic design, which enable us to very quickly create massing studies, massing analysis of what can be possible in the project boundaries. The textures and imagery are preserved in Formit because Formit accepts FBX files. And these files in Formit can be, again, saved directly into the cloud and make available to other consultants so that they can be brought into AutoCAD or in Revit. Now on the screen, I started a new project on Revit, and I'm using the XML definition that I exported from Civil 3D. Remember that file that allowed me to enable shared coordinates? I am using the import XML shared coordinates tool in Revit, which allow me to create a site. A site is save coordinate that is used by the project to align the different models. And because they matches the definition from Civil 3D, then I'm able to link the survey, link the FBX file, link the AutoCAD landscape using exactly the same GIS coordinate system associated with the same monument. On the screen, you see now the exported file from Formit brought into Revit. And within Revit, I can run my context analysis associated with my project site. And because it does preserve all the textures and the geometries, these can travel with the model. You can even create a cloud rendering with the appropriate textures to create a render of the area. And that's the result of the rendering directly from Revit.